In honor of Black History Month, I want to take a few days to honor some of the legal eagles that pioneered the way and soared for us to be able to fly and thrive in the legal profession as Black lawyers today. So why not start with none other than the Charlotte E. Ray, which was the first Black woman attorney to be licensed in the United States of America. Charlotte E. Ray attended Howard University School of Law and was later sworn into the District of Columbia Bar, where she had to use, it's believed that she had to use her initials, C.E. Ray, to even be admitted into the bar. This was in 1872, where very few women were even being licensed and no women of color were being licensed. And so she was truly doing something new. Her family valued education, and she was a teacher at Howard and later went on to become a law student where she was sworn in and argued the infamous case of Gadley v. Gadley, which is a case in which there was a domestic violence situation happening with a Black woman and her husband. And at that time, many courts did not recognize the rights of women, particularly in marriage. But Charlotte E. Ray was successful in arguing and getting Ms. Gadley out of her marriage. Now, unfortunately, this was an unprecedented time for Black women to be lawyers. She got out of law school, opened her own law practice, and it was only open for a very short period of time due to the racism that she faced, both within the profession and out. And I want to say for any of the Black women out there who are experiencing discomfort as a result of racist microaggressions in the workplace or just anything from the legal profession that makes you feel like you don't belong, Charlotte E. Ray paved the way for each and every one of us. And it's unfortunate that she did have to close down her legal practice as a result of the racism that she faced within the profession and not being able to secure enough clients to keep her business going. But she did later retire out of the profession and went back home to New York to become a teacher. So she still did some very important work to educate other legal minds. So let's shout out to Charlotte E. Ray on today. Again, a pioneer in the profession for Black women like me, who owns my own law firm, and I set the rules and I play by the rules that she set a foundation for.